I find it so interesting that pickled green tomatoes are having their viral moment right now because we grew up eating this since childhood. We pickle almost everything, you guys know that. So I bought some today at the store and I thought to do a little taste test with you. Look at that. Let's give it a bite. So good. Wow. The crunch on this is amazing. It's so acidic and it's salty and it's just vinegary, has all the things. Honestly, if you go to any Eastern European supermarket, you will likely find this. You will likely find pickled cabbage. You will likely find green carrot salad.